Hello, today we are going to learn intervals. An interval contains infinitely many points on a real number line. This is real number line from minus infinity to plus infinity. So let us see close interval. Close interval means include the endpoints. This square bracket indicate the close interval and read it as close interval of AB. In set notation, we will write it as set of all x such that x is greater than equal to a and less than equal to b. Note that in closed interval we include this equality sign. Equality sign means closed interval. On a real number line, it is denoted by this close point. Close point means close interval. For example, close interval of 2, 5. Write it as set of all x such that x is greater than equal to 2, less than equal to 5. Close interval means equality sign. So we include equality sign in close interval. So the possible values are 2, 2.1, 2.5, 3, 4.8, 5. In closed interval, we include the endpoints. Therefore, 2 is included, 5 is included. Open intervals. Open interval means excludes the endpoint. These round bracket indicate the open intervals. Read it as open interval of AB and write it as set of all x such that x is greater than a and less than b. Note that in open interval do not include equality sign. On real number line, these open points means hollow points indicate the open interval. This means exclude the endpoints. Trick is that look at my cursor. O shape is round. O shape is round. Therefore, we write the round bracket for open interval. You can remember this by this way. O is round, so use round bracket for open interval. Example, open interval of 2, 5. Open interval means we will use round bracket. Write it as set of all x such that x is greater than 2 and less than 5. In open interval, do not include equality sign. The possible values are 2.1, 2.5, 3, 4.9. In open interval, excludes the endpoint. Therefore, 2 and 5 are excluded. That means they are not allowed. Left open interval means exclude the left endpoint and include the right endpoint. Left open means, remember, O means O, use the round bracket. So use a round bracket on left side. So on left side we use round bracket and square bracket on right side. Round bracket include means exclude the endpoint and square bracket means include the endpoint. Write it as set of all x such that x is greater than a and less than equal to b. On a number line, it is indicated with this hollow point on left side, means open point on left side and close point on right side. Open point means exclude the endpoint and close point means include the endpoint. For example, left open interval of 2, 5. Left open means we use round bracket on left side. Left open, O is round, so we use round bracket on left side. Left open and square bracket on right side, and write it as set of all x such that x is greater than 2, less than equal to 5. We use equality sign in close interval, that means square bracket. So the possible values are 2.1, 3, 4, 5. On left hand side we have round bracket. Round bracket means exclude, therefore 2 is not allowed. On right hand side we have square bracket. Square bracket means close interval, so the 5 is allowed. Right open interval means exclude the right point and include the left endpoints. Right open means use round bracket. Right open means use round bracket on right side and square bracket on left side. Round bracket means exclude the right endpoints and square bracket means include the left endpoints. Write it as set of all x such that x is greater than equal to a, less than b. Use equality sign in close interval, that means square bracket. On number line it is denoted as close point on left side and open point on right side. Close point means include, open point means exclude. For example, write open interval of 2, 5. Right open means round bracket on right side. Right open, O is round, so use round bracket on right side and square bracket on left side. Write it as set of all x such that x is greater than equal to 2, less than equal to 5. Again I am repeating, use equality sign for close interval. Close interval means square bracket. So the possible values are 2, 2.5, 3, 4.9. 2 is included because it is a close point, because it is denoted by square bracket. 5 is excluded because it is open interval, it is denoted by round bracket. So this is a summary slide. Close interval includes the endpoints, they are denoted by these square brackets, and write it as set of all x such that x is greater than equal to a and less than equal to b. Equality sign used in close bracket means close interval. Open interval exclude the endpoints and it is denoted with this round bracket, and write it as set of all x such that x is greater than a, less than b. Left open means round bracket on left side and square bracket on right side. So left open interval means exclude the left endpoints, includes the right endpoint. Right open interval means use the round bracket on right side and left square bracket on left side. This means include the left endpoints and exclude the right endpoints. So solid brackets means solid dots means include, round bracket means hollow dots means exclude. So let us see some operations on sets. Union of set. Union of set A and B means include all elements of A and all elements of B. So union of X and Y means include all elements of X and all elements of Y. Note that these common elements are written only for one time because the set do not repeat elements. This is a rule, and its union is denoted with this symbol U, and write it as A union B and read it as A union B. For example, if X is a set of A, B, C and Y is a set of C, D, E, then X union Y means include all elements of X and all elements of Y. So elements of X are A, B, C and elements of Y are C, D, E. Here C appear in both the sets. That means it is common in set X as well as set Y. So we will write C only for one time because the rule is that do not repeat any element in a set. Therefore, the X union Y is a set of A, B, C, D, E. Remember that the word OR mathematically represents the union and read it as element in X or Y. So Y means, so OR means union. See another operation, intersection. Intersection means this common area. Intersection includes all elements which are common to both the sets and it is denoted with this symbol and read it as A intersection B. A intersection B. Example, if X is a set of A, B, C, D and Y is a set of A, D, E, F, then X intersection Y contain all common elements between these two sets. So is A common in both the set? Yes, A is common. Is B common in both the set? No. Is C common in both the set? No. C is not common. Is D common in both the set? Yes, D is common. Therefore, X intersection Y is the set of A, D. Intersection means include only the common element between both the set. If there is no common element between the two set, then it is empty set and it is denoted with this symbol phi. Note that the word AND represents intersection and read it as element in X and Y. Set difference means subtracting the elements. The difference of set X and Y in this order is the set of elements which belongs to X but not in Y. That means it indicates these shaded regions, only the element of X and not the element of Y, and it is written as X minus Y or X backward slash Y. Remember that it strictly removes any overlapping element of Y from x. Trick is that in set difference, look at this notation. We will remove the element of y. Minus y means remove the element of y. For example, if x is a set of a, b, c, d and y is a set of a, d, e, f, then x minus y means remove the element of y. Minus y means remove the element of y. So a is removed from both the set. A is common in both the set, so we will remove the a. Remove d. Is the d present in x? Yes, d is present. So remove d from both the set. E. So is a e is common? No. F. Remove f from the y. Therefore, the x minus y is the set of b, c. Remember that in set difference, order matters. Means x minus y is completely different from y minus x. For example, y minus x is a set of, in here we will remove the element of x from both the sets. Element of x are a, b, c, d. So remove a from both the set. Remove b. Remove c. Remove d. D is from both the set. Therefore, the elements remains are E, F. So y minus x is set of E, F. Please understand here that x minus y is a set of B, C and y minus x is a set of E, F. These two sets are totally different because in set difference order matters. Complement. To understand the complement, we will first understand the universal set. This rectangle square usually denote the universal set. Universal set is the master set containing all possible atoms for our problems, and this A is a subset of this universal set. So complement of subset A, this is a subset A, is the set of all elements of U. All elements of U which are not the element of A. Means complement means these shaded regions. These shaded region indicate the complement of subset A. These shaded regions which include all the elements which are not the element of this subset A. So we write this as A dash or A complement. If U is a natural numbers and A is a prime numbers, then A complement is a composite numbers. Thank you.